Hey, it's ExpressAmber, and it's everyone's favorite day of the week, the day that I give you Express information to keep you trucking in the Express lane. All right, so this week is Trucker Appreciation, and you know how much that we appreciate all of you. We rely on you all every single day to bring us our commodities and the things that we take for granted. And so I just want to take a moment to verbally say to you that we do appreciate you and we love you guys. So thank you so much for making the sacrifice and leaving your home and your families to be out on the road and bring us those things that we need every single day. So again, thank you. The other thing I wanted to talk about is Form 2290. I know I've made 5,000 videos about the Form 2290 this year, but we're going to make one more and probably another one some other time. So it's all good. But I wanted to congratulate you all for filing your Form 2290 on time. The deadline was August 31st to file and pay. And I know that you all filed on time. So congratulations. But for those of you who might have missed the deadline, you guys still need to file, and you need to file as soon as possible. But the IRS will issue you penalties at this point since you are filing after the deadline. So the penalties for not filing on time and not paying on time are about 4.5% on a monthly basis of the tax due. So even though you missed the deadline, you still want to go ahead and file now before the penalties keep accruing month after month. So to file, simply go to your ExpressTruckTax account, log into your account, and then file for this tax year. Again, you want to choose how you're going to pay your IRS tax due, and you're going to go ahead and pay your normal tax due. What we get asked a lot is, well, how do I pay the penalties? The IRS will send you a letter in the mail with your penalties. So ExpressTruckTax doesn't deal at all with IRS penalties. We know that they come to you, but you guys need to go ahead and file and pay now, pay the tax due, and then you will receive a letter from the IRS at that time. On that letter, there is instructions listed on how to pay those IRS penalties. So again, if you need any help or you have any questions, just call us, ExpressTruckTax 704-234-6005. And we have, again, we have a full team here ready to help any questions that you have. But please go file your 2290 if you have not filed it already to avoid additional penalties. All right, everyone, so just to quickly wrap up this video, I do want to warn you guys that starting on September 16th is the annual maintenance brake safety check week. And so we actually just posted a video on how to prepare for this over on our TruckLogix page. So head on over there, watch that video on how to prepare and how to avoid, getting shut down, all those kind of things. So head on over to TruckLogix and watch that video. And then if you need a full business management, TruckLogix is your answer. So let us know if you have any questions. Again, we're here to help you, located here in Rock Hill, South Carolina. All right. Also, we hit 200 subscribers and I'm so excited. I love doing these videos and I love helping you guys out. If you ever have any comments or suggestions or like, hey, do a video on this, or we're always watching, we're answering your comments. We are active in this process. So if you have any comments or questions or suggestions for future videos, put them down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, share me with all of your friends, and head on over to Facebook and Twitter. I'm also on those pages at ExpressAmber. And again, follow all of our social media, ExpressTruckTax, TruckLogix, follow it all. All right, we'll see you guys next week. Thanks again, be safe. And again, thank you so much for the sacrifice that you have given us. Thank you so much. Bye.